Hi guys! I'm lacking a lot in the background department right now because I removed the posters and stuff, like my art and stuff like that, because I wanted to do something different. I don't know what I'm doing yet. Yeah, that's why it's empty. Anyways, today I'm doing a haul about the Body Shop, and it's the Black Friday tote bag, which is valued $145, but I only bought it for $45, and I just wanted to do a little haul on that. And yeah, so let's get started. I'm not sponsored at in any way, right? By the way, it's just that I really like the Body Shop because they promote like the environment and animal cruelty free, so it's vegan. First off, there is a tote and it says nature is the new black, which I thought it was really cute. And inside there's a bunch of products. So we're gonna start off with the Drops of Youth. Right away when I saw the contents of this bag, I knew I needed it because the Drops of Youth alone is $40 alone, $40 without sale. 99% of the ingredients is from natural origin. It's 100% vegan. So next we have the Shea hand cream. I've actually never used this before, but it says here that it nourishes your hands, it's light, non-greasy texture. It's perfect for on the go because it's really small and portable. Next we have the Satsuma Shower Gel, and it looks like this. Basically, it says that it is a soap-free cleanser and it will leave you feeling soft and refreshed. It's very zesty, so like lemony, I guess. Let me see how it smells. Yeah, it smells like oranges and lemons, basically. Yeah. Shower gel. Next we have the Camomile Gentle Eye Makeup Remover. Kind of looks like milk in a bottle. So this is suitable for sensitive skin and contact lens wearers. No added fragrance or color or alcohol. Next we have Coconut Nourishing Body Butter, and it leaves your skin moisturized for 48 hours, and this is for very dry skin. Woo. Next we have these little masks, which I do not have the description for, so I'll just probably read it. So first off, we have a Himalayan charcoal purifying glow mask, and I think these are like samples. This is 5 ml. That's how it looks like. Ooh, there's lava clay, magnesium, water. This one is Ethiopian honey deep nourishing mask. And this one is Japanese matcha tea. That's for the face mask. And then it comes with a loofah. Always helpful to have. And it also comes with cotton pads. This is made from 100% organic cotton. Soft and gentle on the skin. Organic cotton. La la la. Did you know? Whoa, did you know? How can something so soft be so harsh on the planet? Cotton is one of the planet's most chemical intensive crops, releasing 16% of the world's insecticides, more than any other crop. Organic cotton farming uses more natural, traditional methods, so it's better for communities and the soil. Wow, that is so cute. And lastly, the last thing we have in here is a get $5 off your next purchase in store, valid until December 1st to December 24th. So I should use something soon. So yeah, that's basically all that is in this tote bag from the Body Shop. I think it is very worth it if you're trying to save money, and also maybe you can give away some of these things for Christmas presents, just to save some more money and give away like high quality stuff, you know? So thanks for watching, guys. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. I don't know, I'm really sick, so I can barely even talk for some reason. And yeah, I hope you guys enjoyed and found this helpful. I think this Black Friday tote is still available on Body Shop. Again, I am not sponsored. I wish I was, but I'm not. But yeah, see you guys next time. Bye.
Oh, tell me that talk can never win the lie. Oh, tell me that rock can never win the ride. Baby, tell me that we gon' someday stop the fight. And tell me that everything gon' be alright. Oh, tell me who's stupid, baby, has a me or them. Just tell me who's insane, baby, has a me or them. In this crazy world, after patience, cool, we get the pearl. But this world was teaches me, preaches me how to curl.